In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create AI videos in Gemini. We'll walk through each step together in this exciting process, ensuring that by the end of the video, you'll be well equipped to craft your own amazing AI videos using this innovative tool. So, let's dive in. First, open up your web browser and head over to Google. This is a simple starting point that many of us are familiar with, so it should feel like a breeze. Once you're on the Google homepage, take a moment to type Google Gemini into the search bar and hit enter. As you can imagine, this search will lead you to the Gemini platform, a powerful tool designed to help you bring your creative ideas to life with AI-generated video content. Once you've hit enter, you'll see a list of results. Your task now is to click on the link for Google Gemini, which should be one of the top results. This link will direct you straight to the Gemini platform, where the magic happens. Take a moment to appreciate the layout of the platform before moving on to the next step. Now that you're on the Gemini site, look for the Create Video button and give it a click. This feature is where the creation process truly begins, so prepare yourself for a fun and creative experience. As you navigate this section, you'll find that it's designed to be user-friendly, even for beginners, which is great news if you're new to AI video creation. Next up, it's time to make a prompt. This is where you'll let your imagination run wild. For a bit of inspiration, we'll use a prompt that captures a frantic 8-second vertical cinematic selfie of Noah vlogging YouTuber style on the arc ramp. Picture this. Pairs of animals are rushing past, storm clouds are crackling behind, and a light rain begins for an atmospheric, funny, chaotic pre-flood moment. Essentially, think about the scene you want to create and let that guide your prompt. Your imagination is the only limit here, so have fun with it. Once your prompt is crafted, you're ready to move on to the submission stage. Simply click on the Submit button. This action will send your request into Gemini, where the AI starts to work its magic, processing your creative input to generate a video that matches your vision. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you've learned how to harness the power of AI with Gemini to bring your vivid, imaginative scenes to life. Whether you're creating for fun, for a project, or for an audience, the process is both fulfilling and groundbreaking. Thanks for joining me today to explore this innovative technology, and I hope you enjoy creating your own AI videos. Happy editing!